Hey, Mark Rice here! I bet that you have at least one social profile, and if you need a cool flat avatar for it, this can be helpful for you. And if you want to be master of the flat design and download over 500 illustrations, check out gigantic.store. Okay, so I will show you how to create a very simple avatar. Then you can add more details and create your own unique avatar if you want. So I will start with the basic shape of the head. Hit M on the keyboard and draw it. Okay, cool. It will be round rectangle, and I will use the same shape for the body. Okay, maybe I can change here something. Okay, cool. Hold Alt, move it here and increase the size. So, this will be the body. And I want to draw the rectangle for the t-shirt. Okay, cool, it will be green. Okay, and here I need a circle. Something like this. Okay, now copy the body, Ctrl C, Ctrl F, select the copied shape together with the green part, and use the white in the Pathfinder. Ungroup and delete everything except this green part here. Okay, cool, so this is the body, and I will draw the neck. Okay, move this part here. Okay, so this will be the head and the body. Now I will draw the eyes, then the mouth, nose, hairstyle, and basically that's it. So first I will draw the eyes with the circle. Okay, I will copy the same shape for the second eye, group the shapes and move it here. Okay. Now the mouth, and for the mouth I will draw the semicircle. So I will create the circle, then the rectangle, and use minus front in the Pathfinder. Okay. Cool, move it here, zoom it. Okay. I will draw the rectangle for the teeth. White, of course. Okay, I'll select this corner, this one as well, and make this corner round. Cool. And here I will draw one more red part. Okay. Then select all the shapes of the mouth. And here in the Pathfinder use the white. Ungroup this part, and that's it. Group the shapes, Ctrl plus G. Okay, cool. Now the ears, just with a big rectangle. And make these corners round. Send to back. Okay, cool. Now the hair. So I will draw the rectangle. It will be a rounded rectangle. Move it here. Now I will copy it. Something like this and cut this part. Okay. Cut it. Move it here. Unite the shapes. And then break this corner here. Okay. Haha. Cool. Group the shapes and draw the circle for the background. Okay, maybe I can change the size of the hair a bit. Okay, cool. And before I cut this part, I will create a shadow for the character. So copy the character, Ctrl C, Ctrl F, unite all the shapes, and pick up dark pink color. Okay, you can change the size and move it here. Send to back. And as you can see, I need to cut this part, and it's very easy. So first copy the background, Ctrl C, then draw the big rectangle here and paste the background with Ctrl plus F. Then select this shape together with this one and use minus front tool. Cut it with Ctrl plus X, then isolate this part, paste it with Ctrl plus F, select it together with the green part and use minus front tool. Then I will repeat that with this part of the body. Ctrl plus F. Okay, and with the shadow. Control plus F. And that's it. Okay, and if you want to go a few steps further and learn even more, or just hang out with me on a daily basis, become part of this incredible list here. You will be able to watch my exclusive video tutorials and become part of the private community. This will be game changer for you if you are serious about your creative future. So take action right now and do something good for you and your family. And remember, stay tuned because the best is yet to come. Peace.